Boy Juvi back with another video. Today I'm bringing you guys the Ivory Snake Air Force Ones. These are a size 11.5. The first thing you notice is they come with a pack of socks.
Tell you I love you and then I love you. If I call you my brother, then you my brother. You was part of my struggle, part of my...
I'm gonna take the socks out the pack to show y'all. '96 polyester, 4 elastane, and it says large right. I think that's kind of dope. Y'all see that right there? Large right. Obviously we got the other side with the readout. The large left. The socks feel real soft. When I do wear these socks, it's not gonna be with these Air Forces. These are some socks you wear with slides. You better go to the corner store real quick. You throw these slides, can't even speak, you throw these slides on. You throw these socks on, put on your slides. I love my Air Forces, and I don't want people thinking like these in-depth reviews is just gonna be Air Forces. It's only been Air Forces so far because that's all that's been dropping that I rock with. Like for videos. For new releases, there hasn't been much. I feel like it's changed a lot. Like back when I was in middle school, beginning of high school, I would have releases come out all the time, even just for Nike basketball alone. I feel like the silhouettes fell off. They fell off with like casual wear. I don't play basketball seriously. I'll play once in a while, and it's like you can't really wear them on the regular. So when I see something that I like, that drops and I cop it successfully, then I'm gonna bring it. So, but don't think this is just gonna be straight Air Forces. I do appreciate everybody who be tuning in. These right here are really special. These came out in 1996 in Asia. You're not gonna see this at every shop, and they sold out on Nike.com real fast. First off, I want to let y'all know that I don't understand when people be like, yo, are they good quality? Bro, first of all, Air Forces always have good quality. You feel me? The air on the inside. This part has more cushioning than your regular Air Force. For the people who snatched up a pair, y'all know what I'm talking about. Brandon. That's the branding for the tongue. They come with obviously white flat laces. These are basically the white Air Forces with this pattern that hasn't been seen since 1996 in Asia. And y'all know the OG Nike Air on the midsole. That pattern's looking too fire under this light though. Nike Air in black, and that's stitched in. I feel like these should have been like $120 the most, but I really wanted them, and I wasn't gonna let that $30 difference stop me from copping. I tried these on for the on feet. It's just your regular outsole for the Air Forces. The leather on these is real nice. I feel like I say that for every Air Force video, but it's too proper on this pair. And I just want everybody to know that when it comes to Air Forces like this, and you like it, just cop it. Don't let the price stop you, because right now, you're lucky if you get this for retail. I feel like some stores still have some sizes, but eventually once they sell out, and only two spots I trust is Stadium Goods and Flight Club. I don't care about no GOAT, bro. I don't care about no StockX, because those who really in tune, they know how much fakes be passing through StockX and GOAT. And you can look it up yourself. Go on Twitter and search it up. If you got any questions, you know I'm always in the comment with it. It's your boy Juvi. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I want to bring y'all more in-depth reviews, but Nike, Adidas, all these brands, Puma, y'all got to do better and just drop more fire kicks, because the sneaker game changed a lot. Those who've been collecting kicks for a while, I had a massive collection. I sold everything. I'm starting back up. But those who's really in tune with the culture, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like kicks that you could say are heat. And I'm not talking about hype beasts. I'm talking about like just beautiful kicks. We had more of those 5 years ago, even more 10 years ago. This year, I want to drop at least one a month. And I can't find the kicks. Like, I'm not going to cop kicks because I get kicks all the time for heads. But I can't, I don't want to review those if I'm not going to be the one wearing them. And on top of that, if these kicks don't come out consistently, I'm not going to buy random kicks to review it. And then I don't do returns. I hate bringing something back. If I return something, bro, it's like my last resort. So if I'm copying kicks, it's something I want to keep. I like it a lot. Anything you see in my in-depth reviews, I really rock with them. And I copped it. I'm gonna review it, show y'all, give y'all my thoughts on them. I don't know if y'all seen the Inside Out Air Force Ones. I want those. If those do end up dropping, I hope I have a review out for y'all. But I appreciate everyone who'll be tuning into my videos. Make sure you leave me a like, comment, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.
Tell you I love you and then I love you. If I call you my brother, then you my brother. You was part of my struggle, part of my